Okay, so the news was predicting we'd have a blizzard. This shit is crazy, yo. Oh no, I don't think y'all can see that yet. Oh my god. It's up to a foot. Holy crap. There's like snow through the doorknob. Holy crap. Wow. Don't feed him the yellow snow. Or don't eat the yellow snow. I think that's how it goes. Hi, Oklahoma City. Blizzard of 2011. Oh yeah. I would step on a grenade for you, but you won't do the same for me. Let's try to push the snow outside. I just got up. I don't know what time it is, but yeah, it's early. Wow. That's pretty deep. Can't wait to. The dogs like it. Oh, it's cold. What did you say, like a foot and a half? Foot? The dogs are bouncy.